Okay, so we got this situation. The greatest term in the expansion of this when x is 1 by 5. So you know that you have one result r smaller than or equal to n plus 1 by 1 plus magnitude of first ax by by. Now replace everything. You know that n is 15, so 15 plus 1 16 by 1 plus first thing is 3, second thing is 5x. So in place of x I have to write 1 by 5, so 1 by 5. This thing gone, so we are left with 16 by 4, so we got 4. Okay, so you got this time you got 4 integer, complete integer we got na. So this means that fourth and fifth term will have greatest term, okay, magnitude wise. Okay, so in this case we will have two terms which will have greatest term. Okay, so let's go with the fourth term. So it is 15c3. Okay, so 15c3, 3 power 12, 15 minus 3 into 5x power 3. Okay, you can simplify things. So 15, sorry, that should be in the power. So we got things as 15c3, 3 power 12, 3 power 12, 5 power 3, and who is x? X is 1 by 5. So 5 power 3. This thing gone. So we got 15c3, 3 power 12. So this is our greatest term. Okay, I hope the idea is clear.